Hey, this is Chris, Liacris Mobility, a wholly owned subsidiary of Liacris Enterprises. Thought we'd do a quick tip today, how to install a hosts file. A host file is a good way to keep malicious sites or web addresses from sending bad things to your computer, and it also prevents you on your computer from reaching bad websites. So it's like a two-way tool. It's like a gate, and anything that you request through your web browser that might be bad is blocked, and anything that's trying to get in without your knowledge that is bad will be blocked. So first thing we want to do is find a good host file. Now I use the file from this site, winhelp2002.mvps.org. So we will go to this first. I'm using, if you notice, I'm using DuckDuckGo as my search engine. They do not track anything that you do, unlike Google, who tracks everything that you do. So this is the one I prefer to use. So we go to the site. Admittedly, not the most elegant page in the world, but we really don't care. What we care about is whether or not this thing works, and it does. So you scroll, you can read down through all this what it does, and I've already kind of explained what it does. And so we go down here to the download, hosts.zip, and we will save link as, just like it says there in the directions. I like to save my stuff to the desktop so I don't have to go searching for it. Now we'll see that it's already saved, so we can minimize this window. And we can move this out of the way, and there's hosts. Now all we have to do is extract these files to a easy location. Again, I always choose desktop, so we extract. Notice it's C user CD desktop, which is this page, the desktop. We hit OK. We see the relevant files have been extracted. We go to MVPS, the batch file, which is this one right here, so it's right here. And as per the instructions on the page we were just previously looking at, you right click and you must run as administrator. If you don't run as administrator, it won't do anything, because you won't have the necessary rights to go into a Windows system folder and rewrite files, or overwrite files, or copy files, or move files. So we run as administrator. You see we get this little informational page, and it's already been done. It just tells you what it already did. Boom. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And now you are protected from, I don't know, 95% of what's bad out there on the internet. Then I go ahead and I just delete these. This file gets updated often. I don't know how often, at least once a month or twice a month, I would think. So if you want to update it, what you want to do is go back to that web page and run through the procedure we just ran through. Now in the next video, what I'll be showing you is, oh, this is still open. See, Windows won't delete something. See how it says it's open in 7-zip, so I have to close the extractor program first, and then I can get rid of it. Just a little tip there. In the next video, what I'll do is I will show you some websites that will show you how they are, what they display without a custom host file like this installed, and with a custom hosts file like this installed. So until then, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below. Like and subscribe. We appreciate when you do. We will see you on the next ad blocking video.